trying to figure out how to put it in your mouth.
Oh. The helicopter, G-Pop, get it. Whoa, whoa. Stop. Stop.
Alright, here. You wanna get down? Yeah, stay right here though.
You do it.
Alanna, listen to Dada.
Look at Alanna doing it by herself. You got it?
Fine.
Fine.
Fine. No, baby.
Be that way.
I don't like you going near it with the remote because you turned it on by accident.
Oh, no.
Alanna, do it.
She's gonna fly right down the cellar stairs, manually. She goes outside.
Where's she going?
She's putting it over there, and then she's gonna run it from over here. She knows, believe me, she knows what she's doing, right? Look at, here she comes. You got it?
As far away as possible.
You gonna do it? Here she goes, watch.
Helicopter can fly upside down.
Okay.
She still got it. Never mind that, it was going right toward your uncle. The blade was going right at you almost got a haircut there, uncle. It was.
You want a buzz cut?
It was coming right like this, and that's why Jeff took it down.
Buzz cut. It's a new range.
I have a question.
Buzz Lightyear.
How can that helicopter be made so heavy duty that it's banging against